Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 9 Best PC Case 2023. Top 1. Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO E-ATX High Airflow PC Case with breathable TG front panel, 200mm sickle flow ARGB fans. The pinnacle of Cooler Master's HAF legacy, HAF is back with exquisite performance and DIY freedom developed continuously for over a decade. The HAF standard in cooling, from ARGB intake blades to boundless freedom of cooling solutions, for a system that runs as performant as it looks. Built-in, real-time stats monitoring, monitor system stats in real time or showcase your personality on Iris, your built-in LCD assistant. A decade of HAF design, revolutionized, toollessly installed GPU, PSU and HDDs. Effortlessly build a system with minimal amounts of screws needed. HAF 700 EVO created only for the best to unlock their true potential. Cooling components must work, not individually, but together as an ecosystem. The right case can do that for you. HAF 700 EVO unveils a new era of thermal efficiency through unique features, designed to transcend the standards of contemporary cooling solutions. Rediscover PC DIY, a form of entertainment, a polished skill set, an exquisite art form, and a way of living. Top 2. Thermaltake Level 20 E-ATX Full Tower Gaming Computer PC Case with 3 Riing plus 140mm RGB fan plus 2 Lumi plus LED strips, pre-installed CA1J9-00F9WNOO. Alexa, control fan LED strip lights or fan speed by talking to Alexa-enabled devices. Just say Alexa tell Thermaltake, Razer Chroma, Sync Level 20 fan LED strip RGB lighting with Razer Chroma ecosystem available end of 2018, color your life. Include 3 Riing plus 140mm fans and 2 Lumi plus LED strips for colorful cooling. Trio chamber design, separated into 3 chambers, PSU motherboard and storage LCS chambers, for optimal cooling performance. Clear view, 3-inch 4mm thick tempered glass swing door with steel-less smart lock design. Durability and presents individual creation. Steel and aluminum dismountable modular design, freely build the system from ground up with removable aluminum panels, steel racks, brackets and mounting arrays. Premium I/O port, USB Type-C provides 10 GB per second of transmission speed with 4x USB 3.0 ports and HD audio. Top 3. CORSAIR iCUE 5000 RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case 208 Individually addressable RGB LEDs fits multiple 360mm Radiators-Easy, cable management 3 included CORSAIR LL120 RGB fans. Make a lasting impression with the 5000 RGB's unique style, lit by an astonishing 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs, all with a clean design and builder-friendly features for which the 5000T series is renowned. With 160 RGB LEDs integrated into the front, roof, and floor panels, plus 48 LEDs in the included fans, you'll get vibrant, fully customizable RGB lighting from any angle, right out of the box. The 5000T RGB's distinctive contours and angular accents offer a unique look that no other case can match. Use the included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller to control up to 6 PWM fans and dual lighting channels for multiple RGB components with powerful iCUE software that easily synchronizes all your CORSAIR iCUE RGB products. Includes 3 CORSAIR LL120 RGB fans with 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, controllable via PWM from 600 to 1500 RPMs, for powerful airflow and high-impact lighting. Top 4. CORSAIR 7000D Airflow Full Tower ATX PC Case, Black. Build your legacy with the 7000D Airflow, a full tower case for your most ambitious PC builds, offering easy cable management, a spacious interior, and massive cooling potential with room for up to 3 simultaneous 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access into door and a roomy 30mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 CORSAIR 140mm air guide fans and PWM fan repeater, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A massive interior accommodates up to 12x 120mm or 7x 140mm cooling fans, and makes it possible to install multiple radiators, including 3x simultaneous 360mm or 2x simultaneous 420mm for extreme cooling. Top 5. NZXT Kraken Z73 RGB 360mm, RLKR Z73 R1, AIO-RGB CPU liquid cooler and H7 Elite, CMH71 EBO1, ATX mid-tower PC, gaming case, front I/O USB Type-C port, black. Product 1, customize your battle station, with a bright, 2.36 inches LCD screen capable of displaying 24-bit color. You can now completely customize the look of your CPU cooler. Product 1, stay in control. CAM's elegant, user-friendly software makes you the master of your PC with simple-to-use, intuitive controls. You can manage your Kraken's performance and appearance with ease. Product 1, incredible performance, featuring a chamfered intake and fluid dynamic bearings. They deliver silent operation, long-term reliability, and powerful cooling performance. Product 1, simple installation, with a fully programmable display. The pump can be rotated to fit the needs of your motherboard, without affecting the direction of the logo or image. Top 6. Thermaltake View 91 RGB plus tempered glass vertical GPU modular SPCC XL-ATX gaming super tower computer case with 4 RGB Riing plus fan pre-installed CA1i9-00F1WNOO. Super tower chassis, 16.8 million color RGB imbued XL-ATX tower, 3-sided glass viewing protection, surrounded in 5mm thick tempered glass panels, front and both sides, to protect and present, vertical radiator view, supporting proper placement for 120mm and 140mm radiator applications up to 480mm in length, dual GPU placement. Two-way GPU placement allows vertical GPU mounting, I/O port, USB 3.0 x4, Type-C x1, HD audio x1, fully modular design, provides multiple configurations and flexibility for custom PC enthusiasts. Top 7. CORSAIR Crystal Series 680X RGB High Airflow Tempered Glass ATX Smart Case, white. Motherboard supported, ATX. Number of power supplies supported, 1, color, white, manufacturer, CORSAIR. Manufacturer part number, CC-901169WW. Brand name, CORSAIR. Product line, Crystal. Product model, 680X RGB. Product name, Crystal 680X RGB computer case. Product type, computer case. Technical information motherboard, supported, ATX. Power description number of power supplies supported, 1. Physical characteristics color, white. Top 8. Antec DF700 Flux, Mid-Tower Computer Case, ATX Gaming Case, USB 3.0 x2, 360mm Radiator Support, 3x 120mm ARGB, 1x 120mm Reverse and 1x 120mm Fans included. Flux Platform, Advanced Case Structure for excellent airflow plus 5x 120mm Fans included. ARGB and PWM fan controller, provide massive airflow to your components with room for up to 9x 120mm fans, supports a high-end GPU and provides the best cooling for Top 9. NZXTH1, version 2, CSH11BBUS, small form factor ATX case, dual chamber airflow, tinted tempered glass front panel, 140mm liquid cooler, SFX 750W80 plus gold PSU, PCIe Gen 4 riser, black. Powerfully small, the compact vertical design provides a small footprint while maintaining support for most full-sized GPUs on the market. A simple build, the toolless SSD tray and riser card are incredibly simple to install. In addition to pre-routed cables, the motherboard I/O faces down, routing all cables through the bottom of the case. Integrated components, integrated power supply and AIO liquid cooler provide a better build experience, along with pre-routed cables. An integrated PCIe riser card is also included for vertical GPU mounting. Elegant airflow, the dual-chamber airflow is thermally designed to allow the CPU, GPU, and PSU to pull in fresh air, and exhaust hot air without affecting temperatures of neighboring components. Thanks for watching, please like and share and subscribe our channel.